Convert numbers from 1 to 12 to month name in Excel. Hi, this is ExtendOffice. Today we will talk about how to convert numbers ranging from 1 to 12 to their corresponding month names in Excel. To apply the text function to convert month numbers, first, select a blank cell where we want the month name displayed, and then enter the formula, the equal sign, text, open parenthesis. Select the cell that contains the number you will convert to month name. Then, enter *29. By multiplying the month number by 29, the formula ensures that the result is always a date in that specific month, even for February in a leap year. Then, use the format code to tell Excel to display the month of that date as a 3-letter abbreviation. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. You'll then see the corresponding month name returned for the number you selected. Now, double-click the fill handle to apply the formula to below cells. If you want to convert numbers into full month names, use 4Ms. To replace the original numbers with month names in the same cell, you can use Kutools for Excel. First, select the numbers you will convert to their corresponding month names. Then, on the Kutools tab, in the Editing group, select More, Operation. In the Operation Tools dialog box, select the Custom option. Type the formula in the Custom box. Once the formula is entered, you can preview results in the Preview pane. Note that if you want to display the full name of the month instead of the 3-letter abbreviation, replace 3Ms with 4Ms. If you choose the Create Formulas option, the formula will appear in the cells. If you don't choose this option, the cells will show only the final results of the formula, not the formula itself. Here I will check this option. Now, click OK to finish converting the month numbers to their names. And since we've checked the Create Formula option, you can see the actual formulas used for the conversion in each cell. If you are interested in this feature, you can find the download link for Kutools for Excel in the video description, or on our website at www.extendoffice.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.